And I'm trying to figure out a way to get 40 of these guys in a golf cart or a 72 volt guy. And one way that our battery box is we have 12 inches high. And if I stack 8 of them up this way, our 12 inches is fine. Our width across here is 9 inches, which that's fine for the two sides. And our length this way is 12 and a half, so that we had 20 inches going back, so we got plenty there. Our problem is this is 8, and 8 times 4, which is what we have here. We got four spaces for batteries. We got 2 9s on either side, and then we got a 24 in the middle. So I got them laid out here. This is 8 high, and we see it comes to be just a little less than a foot, which is good. And then I've got these 4 going this way. Now these are 9 inches, or actually a little less than 9 this way. Now we got 2 on the outside that are 9 inches, and then we got a spot in the middle that must be more. So this whole thing from one side to the other. I believe we had 48, and we could do this with 46 and a half, giving ourselves a little space in between the 2 outer ones, and these 2 would be close together. So we come up 8 high with everybody, and that gives us 8 times 5. That gives us our 40 cells. So that's how that would look. That would be the layout, with the one in the back and these guys across the front.